Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. This is the first time I am showing my face in this video, and I love clouds and sky from my childhood. Today I have made two time-lapse videos and I combined them. Hope you will all like that. So let's start the video. So this was the first time-lapse video that you saw now, and this is the second time-lapse video which I will be showing now, and this is recorded today itself. I have not made that much change in this, but little bit a color grading I have added in this, and hope you will enjoy this time-lapse video as well. So let's start the second time-lapse video. Hope you like both the time-lapse video, and if you like my videos, do comment in the comment section below and support me for the new update. Also click the bell icon so that you can get regular update here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next video.